The scrapbook could be of any size, any color, ruled lines, plain lines, drawing books. It could be the old calendar of 2010, it could be of 2005, it could be a black and white calendar. It is fine. You just need to compile everything, get all your story in it, and that's how you make a scrapbook. So there are different types of scrapbook. So initially, to start off is that keeping it easy, we are keeping a simple easy behavior on scrapbook. So that is what I'm going to call it as memory scrapbook. Alright. Now if I want to say this is my page of my scrapbook, so you can see I have got all this left empty. So I should always know how I need to balance my page. Now if we want to say in memory out here, I just wrote out your memory. There are type of writing also. Like for example, if you want, I can just write like this. M-E-M-O-R-Y, memory. So I don't need to waste my page out here. I can just start off from here. Now when I'm writing out here, I need to have a date for this. Now in school what we did is that most of the time our teacher told, write the dates out here. But I don't want any rules and regulations in my class because this is a freaky class and I want you to enjoy my session. So the date could be somewhere out here also. Now coming back is that you can mention the date out here also. It could be today 11th June or it could be a 10th June with whatever you're 20, and you need to remember this particular 10th June 2020. We are mid of our quarantine period, the COVID-19, This is the time when we are facing a tougher time, and that's the time which I realized I need to connect to all my students who can get some brief notes on scrapbook. Most of the designers or most of the people, they forget this part, and I feel for any designer, this is the most important book. As you saw my introduction class also, the amount of book I use for my inspirations of my mood board is my scrapbook. So coming back straight again back to the topic is that you can play the way you want to. Memory could be out here, it could be out here, it could be out here, or it could be just out here. But some of the important points, like for example, topic is memory. Now the dates, these are the important things which you need to. You do not need to give any grade marks or someone has to sign for your work. No. This is your personal diary. Okay, it's your personal or it could be just secret. This book connects only to you and the book. You have a relation between these two. You need not need to show this to anyone. This is a hidden book. That is the reason we call sometimes it's a diary or it's a scrapbook. Only thing we are trying to put scrapbook more and more is that it's a junkyard book. Like for example, now coming back to the topic is that we are going to work on memory. Now what is memory? Let me understand. During my school time, okay? Now during my school time, I liked studies. More than studies, I like cycling. More than cycling, I like flying kites. So these are all the memories which is still there in me. Today we have grown professionally and we really don't get time doing all those things. But today also if I want to check my scrapbook, this all keeps me very fresh. So like for example, I might just draw, I mark my place for one of my memory. So in my entire book, if you go to see, there is only one part which I worked on. Otherwise, most of the time, like I can use the entire page. I can use only this part of a wheel. Or sometimes the people who are not good with drawing, what you can do is that you can just borrow the cycle from the internet, get out the print, you can do it. Or sometimes you did not need to write this. You can just write cycle, that's enough. And you can just mention a small note on this particular stuff. I love my blue color Hercules cycle. These are the brands during those times when I was there, no? So something was called Hero Cycle, Hercules Cycle. So I could just write the brand. So what happens is that in today's time, the brands have been changed to Rangers, to mountain bikers, so many different. We had Atlas, we had Hero, we had Hercules. So what happens is that with that time of scrapbook, when we come to today's current scrapbook, that means the number of pages which is going to be included, which is going to be involved in our scrapbook, this could be of 2020, this could be of the next date, this could be of the next date. As the dates keeps on going and the amount of scrapbook or the scrap page which you're going to develop will definitely take a journey from here to this page to understand what was happening out here. Might be today like my friends or like the younger generation, if I want to talk, even if they want to see the book, it is just a small history book for them to understand. For me, those days is sort of scrapbook, and today also for the generation who's watching is going to be a scrapbook. But only thing is that I'm not making it boring. I'm making it more interesting rather than a history book, one horse out here and then we're writing everything out of the horse. No, this is going to be a multiple work. This is my time, my childhood memory which I would like to work on. Sometimes I like playing kites. So I just made kites. I made kites out there. Few birds flying just to show my kite has gone really high. You can just see, the amount of drawing which I would like to work is, see now again coming back to is that don't get finicky about this particular stuff. Oh, it's everything drawing. No, just come out of it. It can be crafting, it can be pasting, it can be sticker work, it can be so many things. So right now I just showed this part of it. Okay? Alright. So coming back is that as I told you, you don't need to worry you're not good with your drawing. You could with your crafting, you could be with your lots of other stuff, like for example, if I want to work on my memory, I've got a few of my pictures of my childhood, if you can see, like I have all saved this stuff. So what I could do is that I can just pick which is the best picture I need, so I can use this particular stuff. Like for example, I want to use this. So I have to plan. So for example, I did not need to really think what all things are happening. So I started my scrapbook when I was very small, or might be if I have got some of my exploration and some of my belongings left, then definitely I would like to preserve it. So what I do is that now I just don't want to put it completely out here because I just want myself to show like I was in one of the class. Now the other boy is not important in the classroom because this is one of the summer activity we had and he was not my friend. So I felt like I don't require him. So what I require is only this. So an art of cutting, an art of cutting, like how much I require. So I just cut. So it helps your memory, your mind, your creativity line, the way you are literally trying to take care of your cuttings, what exactly you need, and then try to work it out. And this is the entire part. Now I have an horizontal line out here. So might be I would like to touch my page at this part and I would like to work on it, or might be I just want to get this out here on my memory and put it out here. Now placement is up to me where I want to, but that doesn't mean only with one picture I'm going to make the entire artwork. No. First I showed you some drawing. Now this is all the chalk work which I'm doing, but when I told if you have all the material, simply can show the coloring. In my next video I'll be showing how this has to be colored and how you really make a page. Like for example, now you can see this one of the page which I have done, So it is using all the watercolors and sketch pens, how I made a collage work. Same time I have got something more. Now what happens is that, like these are all my childhood work which I would like to show. Now you can see this. This is real drawing which I used to do. This is how bad I am in my work. Check this. This is another drawing. Now this is all my childhood work which I have literally saved. In fact, you can say my mom saved for me. But this has really come. Now you just check this. This is this sort of a drawing I really preserve and put. And that is how, like cutting all these pictures together, I made another collage like this. Now you can see the entire stuff up here, like using all my small work I have done. But over a period, I went on working. So somewhere like then the drawing started shaping like this. The color combination, the way it was getting done, the way I started working, the balancing. You see, there is nothing called one particular subject which I was supposed to balance on the page. I kept on doing whatever came in my mind. Same thing out here also. When I spoke about this particular picture, so that is one thing which I would like to place. Then there are small other drawings which I have made. So like I'll show you one by one how the pasting is going to happen, and whatever good things I can put on my memory page just to show like how my scrapbook is. Now it's very important, you need to keep in mind when you're having your scrapbook done. Now when I'm fixing up all those things, I'm trying to balance my color combination. Same time I'm going to keep my calligraphy intact wherever it's required. So you can see, sometimes now this is a mixture of my scrapbook memories. That is the reason I'm not having a certain time like from my childhood to my old age. No, I'm mixing it up. It is just a memory for me. So that is what the page is entirely going to say. Now for example, now if there is a gap, so I just try to adjust it and fix in such a way that none of your artwork will be disturbed. Okay, now I fixed it out there. Same time coming out here. Now I have a space out here, I have a space out here, and I have this character out here. So I just put it inside and I just fix it out here. And most of the time I just look how it is going to look. So that's how it is. Now sometimes like I have a squarish one, so I just search for the bigger place. Now I might come here and exactly I adjust in this because this is the time when I had gone to London. So this is the picture which I have out here. This is one of the scenic place which I had been. Same time, these are some of my memories. Like for night, sometimes when I'm traveling in the night, I like taking pictures. So this is one of the memory out there also. So I'm just fixing this part. Now, being my page completely black, I need to see where I need to keep this page. Otherwise, it might look entirely dark. So right now, I'll just place it out here. So with my next picture, when I'm going to place it, it is going to be somewhere on a lighter color. Like for example, you see, suddenly when I get it out here, because of this and this color, this picture will be seen properly. If I remove, it becomes very incomplete. So I get in such a way, I fix it out properly out here. So color balance is very important. So whenever you have color balance, your crafting work, your calligraphy work, this is what keeps your scrapbook looks more lively. This is one part of the scrapbook which I was trying to tell you how it is going to happen. But anyway, now this is a horizontal visual which I wanted to give my students how it is going to look. This is my memory page. But apart from this, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you on the paper what paper you're going to use, how we're going to do it. So I'll be demonstrating on it. But same time, when this is a page which is there right in front of us. So what I could add is that now. So complete this page, I'm adding whatever I'm good at it now. So this is one part of math work and my explorations, my music. So what happens is that sometimes if most of the students are not good with drawings, they can go for crafting, or sometimes you can go for applique work implementations, or sometimes you can just simply go for calligraphy. Like for example, you can hold I hope you understood with this sort of example how you're supposed to make your scrapbook page number 1, that is your memory, and your assignment is going to be related on this itself. This is one example, but apart from that I'm going to give a short example on the page how we do it.